What's up, freaks? Your pal Al here, and today we're going to check out a DVC room over at the Polynesian Resort. This is the Tokelau. Let's go check it out.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Alright, from the beginning I thought we'd start from the bathroom. This is the first bathroom, which would be the toilet area, and they have a shower here, which is really good tile trim. And I like this lava shale they have up. Really nice tile work. And pretty good designer thing here. Shower curtain. What's up, guys? How you doing? I love these mirrors. These mirrors are on both bathrooms. We'll get to the next one in a minute. Look at this. This is a light inside the mirror. It's really cool. And then we got the mermaids hanging out, which you might remember from Peter Pan. I'm thinking it looks like Peter Pan mermaids. Really cool stuff though. And the bathrooms, both bathrooms have a sliding door that you can open and slide back and forth. It's not a hidden door though. Actually on beams. It's pretty neat. Over here is a closet area with a safe in it, and you can put your linen there, hang some stuff up. And all DVC and I believe regular resorts do have an extra pillow and blanket box. I don't think anybody's really ever showed that before. It's in all the rooms in the closet, and they're usually locked up. They have like this lock on the little plastic zip tie on there so that you know it's been cleaned, fresh, put in there, ready for you if you need it. Really cool stuff. Next to the closet, you got your mini fridge right here. Very nice. I'll show you the inside, but we have a couple things in there. But they have a sink, a little bar sink with coffee. You even have a toaster inside, which is pretty cool, and a microwave, which you don't usually see in a hotel room, you know, but a resort room rather. It's pretty nice. I like it. Having a little microwave to be able to cook something up in case you get it from downstairs. Want to bring food back, you can do that. Oh, also one more thing. During these COVID times that we have right now, Disney has individually wrapped utensils, cups, plates, stuff like that, all in the cabinet right next door on the bar hub here, and you could use it. It's part of the room, very easy to get, and plus sanitary. So that's what you're looking for when you're coming, especially during these times. Next up is the second bathroom. Oh, and by the way, this is the robes room, as you can tell with all the fanciness here, of course. But just like the other room, the other bathroom, you have a sliding door that opens and closes, and then the shower. This is the grand shower, master shower as we can call it. Look at all the beautifulness. We cleaned up a bit here, but it's got a seat. And here, let's just jump in real quick. Nice glass door. Of course, the designer. Got the seat. Inverted shelf there built in. Really nice hardware. It's an awesome, luxurious stay on one of these DVC properties. And of course, over here, you've got the shower. We're still drying here. But you get a whole bunch of different stuff that you can put in. It holds everything. You've got the vanity mirror. Guess you want to get nice and, let me see here. Mustache is on point. Alright. And then, like I said, these mirrors are really cool. They have lights built inside of them. It's really awesome. Makes you feel cool to stay here, Makes you feel like something big, something important. Also, all the rooms here are adjoining rooms, the DVC rooms, so if you got a family that's DVC, a family friend, or a friend alone that's DVC, they can come in. They'll stay right next door to you, and you can have a major setup here, which would be really cool. And then here we are in the living area, the living room, if you will, the bedroom, if you will. Yeah, the hotel area, the living quarters. They have an awesome Maui lamp on the desk. You could sit with your loved one, have breakfast or something, maybe a little bit of coffee. Another nice mirror, awesomely framed. And then over here, of course, we got it's the robes room. We got the Disney cartoons playing 24/7 in here. Really nice big TV. I'd say about a 50-inch television, and I've noticed that in all the rooms that they always have a 50-inch television. Have the ice bucket ready on par for you. And down here is really cool. Looks like just a regular standard cabinet, but when you open it up, it's actually the extra bed for your daughter, or maybe someone who's spending the night who's small in stature can stay and hang out. A really cool backdrop of Stitch and Lilo, and of course they're napping as well. Really cool stuff there. And the light comes on when you open it up. Over here, speaking of beds, you have a grand bed. I believe that's a queen size, or possibly even a king. I'm not sure. I don't know bed sizes, but it's a really nice bed, very comfortable too. Almost like club level as far as bed comfort. You got the lights on both sides. You also have some inset lights up on top that are worked by the switches. And you also have really nice pictures of birds and florals in different rooms. All the rooms have different types of things in it, but in this special room they have a lot of animals, if you noticed. A lot of mermaids too. Also another pull-out couch. Take the cushions off, pull it out. You could also sleep 2 more people in here. I believe all DVC rooms accommodate up to 6 guests, and are allowed 6 guests in each room. And then you have an awesome cabinet here that you could store stuff in. And I love this picture. All these pictures at the Polynesian, they always have like this Polynesian background setting of beautiful pictures and stuff they have in there. Let's go out to the porch. As for the porch, or the balcony in this case, because we're on the 3rd level, I love this area. This is my spot. I love coming out here, especially early in the morning like it is right now. Be able to sit out, enjoy the scenery, the looks. I mean, look at this. Look at this. They're taking care of the lawn outside right now. It's fresh and early. You can smell the lawn being cut, fresh grass, all that. You got a great view of the other areas. I believe the pool is right outside there. I've got a big tree in front of me, but there's a pool right around the corner there. Walking distance, skipping distance if you want to say. You can also walk out to the main parking lot, over to the bungalows. Actually, the main parking lot's that way, but the bungalows right over here. You can see the bungalows way out there. I'll try to zoom in. See, very nice. It's just a nice setting. I like the Tokelau DVC resort spot because it's just basically right smack in the middle of everything. And you could sit, you have a nice table. Love the tile work, high banisters that are close railing so the kids don't fall through or fall over it. Very safe, very clean. Notice during these COVID times, everything is spotless. It's always spotless. They've been sanitizing everything here at Polynesian, and it's just been a whole lot of fun. Beautiful day out. I gotta get over to the parks. But other than that, that's a Polynesian DVC resort room. I got a live stream to go on with Gonzo, so I gotta get on out of here. But this is really, really awesome. I had a really good time. I hope you did too, checking out a Polynesian DVC resort room. And actually I gotta meet up with Robe, something. That wasn't open. Actually, you know what? Let me show you that. I gotta show you the treasure chest. This is the, what the heck? What is this? Robe, what are you doing?
Oh God.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I wanted to make sure I fit in it. See, I got this plan. I figure I could always be at the Poly because I could just be in these little treasure chests. You know what I'm saying?
What, you mean like hide out?
Yeah.
No! You can't do that.
Oh.
It's not recommended. I don't even know how you got in there.
I like the Poly. I want to figure out a way I can never leave.
Hey,
you know what I mean?
Hey, one thing though.
What?
You showed how large it is to fit in. I mean,
Hey,
you can
watch
fit
your
it.
mouth.
Oh,
See?
I'm just
There you
saying,
go,
it's a
okay.
lot of room. It's a lot of room, you know?
Oh.
But hey,
DVC. It's not club level, but
Yeah.
it'll do.
It'll do. It's been nice, huh?
Yeah.
I was hoping to get you on film anyway, so I'm glad I found you. Eh?
I allow this. I allow this.
Hey, thanks for letting us check out your room here. You know,
Yeah,
thanks
DVC, baby.
You know what, Ro? Thanks for letting us check out all your rooms. You know, we've been
know,
able to see some
many
of the most
things.
extraordinary rooms.
Many things.
Because of this guy right here.
That's right.
Mr. Robe.
That's right.
To you and me.
That's right.
If you
Most famous man nobody's ever heard of.
He is. You know that, and I know that too. If you like this video, remember to hit the subscribe button if you're new. If you really like the video, hit the like button. That way everybody else can see it. Yes. It's a lot of love here. We're going to be masking up, heading out.
Yeah.
Got a live stream to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going in the pool. I'll see you later.
He's always in the pool. I don't understand this. Until next time, we'll see you real soon. I'm gonna be famous on them YouTubes.